No Philippines anymore. I started cooking for lunch now. But actually, this is I already sent to you to teach people how to cook the food. But now, I just want you to watch me. To watch me because I really miss you guys. I really miss you. This pudding is I already shared with you that this today is I only want you to see me. I don't like I want to expose my beauty to you while I'm cooking. Thank you guys, all of you. Yesterday I forgot to send the grilled chicken. I missed that one to share with you guys. I'm so sorry. Very much. So I closed the fan because I yesterday guys I'm sorry I forgot to show you my preparation the grilled chicken and what's that the grilled chicken only I forgot to share with you so I'm really sorry now I'm cooking the same menu uh uh, uh sushi pudding. We don't have a new menu now, but tomorrow, guys, I will show you the 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 new menu for tomorrow because tomorrow have my friends will come and my boss invite her to cook another um, new kinds of menu. I don't know how to say it. Uh, new, just new, new. Tomorrow, guys, I will show you, and then I will introduce you to my friend, teaching me how to cook like pudding. The food that I cook every day, she's the one who helping me to to teach me how to cook. And then my boss invite her to come because maybe this big day this week I have another occasion. I think so. Have occasion maybe this week or next week. I don't know, guys, because we are not marites. I don't like become marites. I only checking if what is the occasion and then just let you know tomorrow, guys. Don't worry. Let you know tomorrow what kind of dish my friend teach me. I don't know, but I'm interested. This one is. I really interested. It's the same menu. See, guys, this one, the sashimi. I show you this before, but now I don't have a new menu. For tomorrow, yes, I have. So I will show you. We get we make a video, recording video for you. I show you before what is the step by step of how to cook this one, right? I show you already. First, you cut onion. Depends upon to the meat. More or less, you can eat more. You can put small onion. Eat more meat. You can put 1.5 onion, and then cut the pudding, the sashimi, into square. Cut into square, and then stir fry this one. Put a little bit salt and oregano. So I'm alone. Just estimate, guys, the amount of your the amount of your meat. Estimate the salt, so the taste will be very good. They don't like a lot of salt. They don't like a lot of pepper. And then put some hot water so it might not become dry. You see, guys? And then boil this 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Estimate the time. But me, I can estimate the time only. I don't set the I don't set the I don't set the time. I just check the bit. If done or not yet done, I can estimate only. Guys, I say sorry to you because I promise you that I go for live yesterday on my channel, but I'm not feeling well yesterday because I have a little bit cough and running nose, so I can't talk properly to you guys. So you don't understand what I'm saying, right? So maybe tonight, guys, I try my best to 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 go for live tomorrow. But I hope you guys will join with me and ask about anything. Just ask me if I can answer. I will answer. If I can't, maybe secret. uh, so guys, I'm so happy being here in my channel. I'm I'm happy because you guys always be with me, always watching all my videos. I really happy if I check my channel. I thought I don't have I'm not thinking that nobody wants to watch my video, but actually guy I'm happy that all of you is keep on watching on my channel, and I really thankful and thank you so much for that. So guys, I really tried my best, even though I'm working, but now guys, I wake up early. I wake up early and same routine. In the morning, I wake up 5:30, shower, everything, tidy up my bed before I enter and start work. So uh, uh, now I already done my work because I'm alone now. My friends is not coming tomorrow. They will come tomorrow. My friend, the two boys will come. The other one, he will come tomorrow, Thursday. Saturday is me. Sunday in another one. But If you're alone, guy, no worries. If you know what is the step by step of your work, you know you can do it even though you're alone. You see, now I already done everything. Now I'm cooking for lunch. So, so hopefully, guys, this coming next week, my birthday. My birthday. I hope I go for live, and I hope you all guys join with me on my live, and then I sing for you if you want. But I don't have guitar. I don't have any instrument, but I sing for you a cappella if you want to. I'm not really good for singing. Before I can sing. Before I sing also. I am the one modeling also before in my place in Philippines, EBS CBN before Naga City, and I also joined for pageant. I'm short, but you know, my God, small is terrible, but terrible. So now, guys, I'm really challenging about making videos for you. It's very challenge for me. I can prove to myself, I can prove to you guys that I don't like to stuck only in one place. I also wants to go anywhere or somewhere out there. Because before I my dreams comes true is really singer, but I think the song is not fit for me. I love the song, but the song doesn't fit for me. because I think because of my voice, like a little girl. But you know, guys, I trying to, I trying to make my voice like old, but I can't. I can't. You see, guys, while I'm cooking, just concentrate. Just don't make burn. Okay. So now I'm really happy now because and thanks God I already feeling well now. Um, this uh this uh this uh this is what I'm doing to make enjoying myself. I really good. I'm really happy to do video and make myself like happy. My heart is happy while I'm doing my video. Guys, I think we can try, guys. Get if you want to try, just do like this. Like this guy, okay? But don't use this one, another one. You need to get one more spoon, and then you can use that one. But if you use the if you use the spoon to eat and then use again, no, not good. It's not for me. It's not good. I don't know to others. Yeah, I think add a little add a little bit more water. Yeah. This is already boiled, guys. So yeah, I want this one become more soft. What is the time? Here, guys, in abroad is for me is really easy. How many years I've been in abroad? Only 2 years I stay in Philippines. 2 years actually. Yeah, but I'm not sitting. I'm just keep working. I don't like to stay in Philippines uh without doing nothing. I stay in Philippines. I want to work also. I don't like. I'm not the kind of person just stay alone only, stay home and do nothing. No, I'm that idea is not my type. I'm already, I think, 16 years I've been abroad, but guys, we have family, so we need to support. So I can save money. But maybe this time I can save money too. I wish I can go to my mother because I already, how many years? I never saw her. If I call them, but they ignore me. I miss my mother. No, I really wants to cry. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Sorry, guys. Because, guys, the more experience I experience here, abroad, other country, uh, only 2 times I met my mother. 2 times only I met my mother. Because before, guys, when I come back to Philippines, I want my mom to come with me. And then I give money to for the fare of the like bus or because 8 hours Philippines, 8 hours in my place in Manila, 8 hours, very far. But I just let him to come with me in my place, and then with my sister. Now they forgot me because now they forgot me already. Even because I really thankful for them that all my family is successful. Only me is not successful. Maybe one day I'm the next. I'm happy to my family. They have all uh, successful now, but now I try my best only to be next. I really miss my mother. I wish I can buy for her a new like hearing aid. I wish I can buy for her because I want if I call her, I want he's listening to me. I wish that she can hear me what I'm saying. I wish I can she can hear me. I say I love you. But no, it's very hard for her to call. Okay, guys. I put the I put the sushi. Remember, guys, I always tell you wash your hands before using this one. But actually, guys, I can use this. I always tell you that. Sorry, I just always like always wash your hands before you touch the food. Prevention is better than cure. See, guys, now you can see. I show you, guys. You see, just see me holding, right, guys? You know that already. I sent that to you already. But I just letting you know that I cook again for my check everything. And then if already boiled, guys, make the fire. If already boiled, guys, make the fire a medium fire. Okay, make the fire medium only. So guys, right now, I want to say thank you to all of you, and I wish guys you always keep on watching on my video. I'm always happy to make you happy too. So guys, right now I want to say bye bye to you and have a lovely day. And thank you guys for all watching. And if you want to subscribe, just click on below and subscribes me, guys. Okay, guys. And I want to say thank you and good morning to everyone. Love you all.